Hello friends, today our topic is analog output programming. In this lecture we will cover S7300 PLC analog module output programming in SIMATIC Manager software. You can see one example. We have one actuator IP transducer as shown in picture. You can see the IP transducer. I stand for current and P stand for pressure. By control is current 4 to 20 milliampere, we can control output air pressure from 0 to 6 bar as we want. So for controlling the current we need analog PLC output module programming. You can see, let's start the analog output programming. You can see the picture. This is our S7300 PLC analog output module. It will give the 4 to 20 milliampere output, and by using 4 to 20 milliampere IP transducer will be control air. Input air is 6 bar and output will be vary from 0 to 6 bar as we want as our programming. Okay, so let's start the programming. S7 SIMATIC Manager. Finish this one and create new project, lecture number 8. Analog output PR programming. Okay, and insert new project and SIMATIC 300 station and click hardware and insert object and rack rail. Okay, as you know, first for power supply and second for CPU, I will add a CPU here and I will select as CPU C15 DP. Okay, you can see we have insert CPU 315. Okay, and as you know, 3 is position for communication module, and in 4th I will add one analog input module, SIMATIC SM300. AI stands for analog input module, and we will add this one. Okay, this is our analog input module, and in second position, in fifth position, I will add analog output module. That's our today topic. It's taking some time. And SIMATIC 300, SM300, AO is analog output module, and we will add AO8 8 channel. Okay, you can see here, this is our CPU, this is our analog input module, and this one is analog output module. And in tracing of the analog output module, you have to double click here, go to output, and you can see there are 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 modules. Okay, total 8 channels. So I will use channel number 0. Okay, and if I want to use voltage and current, in our case, you know, IP input is current, output pressure. So I will use here current. So I will select current at 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, this is our channel number 0. I will connect my IP transducer with this channel and you can see here other channels 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to use, if you don't want to use, select deactivated. Okay, it will deactivate. Okay, and okay. This is a addressing of the output module, and go to here and select edit symbol, and you can see this is the address of the channels. Channel number 0 PQW 272. Your output value will come here. Okay, so we will use this addressing PQW 272. If you are using channel number 2, then you have to use 274, and as last one is the 286. So our IP transducer is connected with channel number 0. Okay, now go to schematic, CPU and blocks, and our language is ladder diagram in this lecture, so I will select LAD. Okay, you can use analog output many ways. You can use move command, simple, and select any value as your logics 256 and MQW 256. Okay, and start a simulation. Go to MPI and save your hardware and download in the PLC. Okay, and also download this program in PLC and start the monitoring and go to run mode. Okay, your value 100 is moved to PQW 256 addressing of the output module. Okay, other way is unscale. This is the unscale conversion. When you click F1 here, you can see here you can study unscaling block. You can see here is the input, high limit, low limit, every value is here, parameters, input, data type, memory area, description. You can study the unscaling value block. Okay, so in input I will put double data register, double word data register, MD like 20. Okay, and limit, let's see 32,000.0, 0.0. This is our low limit, and I will use some input here, I 0.1. Okay, and out real value in will be stored in word register 3, and output will be in PQW 272 as in our addressing of the analog output module. 272 is our channel number 0, so I will use here PQW 272. Okay, and go to run mode. Okay, so your digital value will come here MD20, and range will be maximum 32,000 and minimum is 0, and this value will become is out PQW to SW2, and your output module will be changed its analog value like 4 to 20 milliampere. So in this way you can do the programming of the analog output module, and you can dressing of the output module. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise the question in comment box. Our team will be give the answer in your question. Okay, bye.